It's December 27th, so I guess that means it is time to clean up Christmas. If it were up to me, I would put up Christmas the day after Halloween and I would take it down February 1st. But unfortunately, I don't make the rules around here. I really hate heights, so this is a big deal for me. Why are my legs shaking? Stop. Stop shaking. Stop. I did it and I wasn't even scared. Sorry. I don't know where the lid is for this one. I am actually sad to be taking these nutcrackers down. I wish I could keep these up all year. This is my favorite one. I did not read one of these this year. That's not gonna fit. It is so much easier taking down Christmas than it is putting up Christmas stuff. This is kindergarten Cam. Can you see it? Whoops. Good. I'm doing a CrossFit workout. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching, for those of you who care, and I hope you have a great day.